how to put other story on my story on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can put someone else's story onto your story. Now to begin with, first thing first, open up or log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So there are different ways of adding someone else's story onto your own story. The first thing is, if the user has mentioned you onto the story, then it's going to be very easy for you to upload it. All you have to do is just locate the particular chat page, and from there you can go ahead and tap on add to your story button. As soon as you do that, you'll successfully added other story onto your own story. Apart from it, if the user has not mentioned you or not tagged you on the following story, then to do that procedure, what you'll have to do is you'll need to take a screenshot or make the video. Then you'll have to screen record it and then save it to your gallery. Only then, after doing so, you'll have to open up your story, and from there you have to upload the following screenshotted or screen recorded video into your story. So that's basically how you can put someone else's story onto your own story. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.